How to open HSBC account UK online. The first things first, I'm going to be using my laptop for this tutorial. And for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. You can simply go ahead and choose any preferred web browser you want, and let's just head to it. Now, once you pulled up your preferred web browser, just simply type in the search bar HSBC UK. HSBC UK. There you go. And here, you just have to make sure that you're clicking on the correct web page. Now, some of the web page may not be available for certain areas, but if you try to click on it, make sure that you'll be routed to hsbc.co.uk. Now, once you click on that, you'll be routed then to this page. Now, after this, to create an account, just simply click on how to apply. Now you'll be routed to scroll down a bit. If I'm here, if you're strict with or if your attention to details, you can simply read this terms and conditions and then the overall rules for creating an HSBC UK account. Now if you're done, now you can go ahead to who can apply. Now you can do or you can open an account if you are 18 years or older, and then I'm happy to do a credit check against your name if you live in the UK, and who can provide ID and proof of address if needed, and then have the important account documents below in here. Now once you have complied everything, all you have to do is just click on apply now. Now you'll be routed to or redirected to the eligibility page. Then here, where do you currently reside? Just to choose on your specific address. Now let's just try on UK. Okay. So let's just try choosing on United States first. Now, do you have bank with HSBC outside UK? You can choose to yes or no. You can try to click on no first. Now, if you choose on no, you have to make sure that you're over 18 and then you're aware that you're applying for a sole account. You're not an existing HSBC UK customer, or you have your current employment, income, and tax details. Once everything is set up, just simply click on Start Application. Now in here, you will be redirected to your personal details. All you have to do is to enter your active email address, your mobile number, and then the optionals number that is going to be available. So you can try to put your home number or you can also try to input your work number. You can try to add a title, Samper Mr., and then your first and middle names, your last name. Then have you had any previous names or are you known by any other name? Choose on yes or no, your date of birth, place of birth, your gender, simply a general personal details right here. Then here, you can try to add dependent children. You just simply input that how many children you have, your marital status, and then your nationality in here. Now you can also try to add another nationality if you do have one. Now once you click on continue, you will now be then redirected to the confirmation page, which is actually the last page for you to be able to create a UK account. So that's it. That's basically it. That's how you can create or open a UK HSBC account online.